This particular car has not run since 2009. Last time that anybody did any work to it is they added 5 gallons of gas in it in 2009 and then sat in storage in a museum for 30 plus years up until it was found in a video call in the background and the question was asked, is it available? So that's kind of a little daunting for us, but because of the provenance of the vehicle, we really just want to make sure that we keep some of that history behind the car, but also making sure that we can run it and drive it and have some fun with it.
Albie, is anything pouring out?
Nope.
Hey, do you and Kevin want to come back here? I think it's time.
Here, it's that high up.
No, I just want to see it.
I want to make
That's
sure.
good.
Yeah, that's good. I want to make sure we can see up here. Yeah.
Okay, switch is on.
Yeah, you have no power steering, so don't turn the wheel a bunch.
Okay.
Kill it.
Shut it off.
Leak and fuel from the fuel pumps. Who did that?
It was Kevin.
Okay, so we checked it for fuel leaks. Guys tightened up a hose up front. Disabled the ignition to spin the engine over to go ahead and get oil pressure before we do a first fire. Oil pressure looks good. We had 3-bar cranking. Now that we have that, you guys are going to hook the ignition up and we're going to fire it up, warm it up, and possibly check the oil out.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, fire in the hole. All right, checking for fuel leak.
Pretty awesome day today. We finally were able to fire the car for the first time. Gosh, and who knows how long. But no problems so far. Made sure we had all the lines set up, ready to go, has fresh oil in the car, put a couple gallons of fuel in there. To our surprise, it turned over, no problems. Actually, not as much smoke as we were hoping, or we thought at least, which is a really good sign. So we're on to the next stage to make this thing look pretty again.
Happy it ran.
Yeah, I am too.
Fired right up, too.
It did.
Cool. Cool.
All right.
Dry ice Monday.
Good job, fellas. Yes.
Same guy that did the brakes also did the coilover collars.